guys, so welcome back to Tech E-Times. Now, the much awaited course that we're going to start is MCSE, or you may also call the course Active Directory. This course is offered to you by Windows Microsoft. This course covers many features, or you may say this course prepares you well to go out to the companies and manage their infrastructure, or you may say the IT infrastructure related to servers and PCs. So this course is intended for anyone who aspires a career in the server industry, or you may say the IT industry, looking for data centers. Now, which crowd or who is the audience that can attend this course? Number one, any currently working professional looking to enhance his knowledge in the server field. And number two, any graduate or student aspiring for an IT career in the server industry. Not only the server industry, if you want to enter the core IT, whether it is security, whether it is servers, whether it is storage or any such related field, servers is a must. The future, all say that the future is cloud computing. So to achieve that level or to get certified in cloud, you need to start from server. So this course lays the foundation for future technologies like virtualization, cloud, and so on. So a fresher or an experienced guy can opt for this course to enhance their knowledge in the server industry or for the data centers. So now, what are we going to cover in this course? So as you can see in this chart, you have MTA, you have MCSA, and you have MCSE. So what are we covering? We are covering MCSE, which is a level above both MTA and MCSA. That means if you go through the entire course, you get qualified for MTA as well as MCSA as well as MCSE. So guys, what's the difference? MTA is basically a fresher or a beginner entering this field. After MTA comes MCSA. MCSA is Microsoft Solutions, or you may say Microsoft Certified Solutions Associate. The term associate means a candidate having theoretical knowledge or having knowledge about the concepts, the know and how, but not hands-on knowledge, or you may say he does not have much of the practical exposure. And this practical exposure comes to you in MCSE. MCSE, that is Microsoft Certified Solutions Expert. This is a level wherein you know about the concepts of Windows Server, you know the concepts about Active Directory, and not only do you know about the concepts, but you can also practically implement them given a scenario. This means this will give you enough expertise knowledge to manage the infrastructure of your company. Now, if you just take a small look at the bottom, there are various fields. There are various fields for specialization. You have, starting from the extreme left, you have server infrastructure, you have desktop infrastructure, you have cloud, messaging, communications, SharePoint, and many more. You've got CRM, you've got ERP, you've got SQL database, much of them. The main point, to opt for any specialization track, you always have to start from server infrastructure. No doubt, desktop is the basic course, but it is too much of basics. We are simply going to cover that much in the server course itself. So you want to become a cloud expert, you want to become communications expert, messaging expert, any expert that you talk about, you need to start from MCSE server infrastructure, as it is the foundation for all other specialization tracks. Talking about communications, what is it? It is basically deployment of link server, which was later renamed as Skype for Business, in which you gain knowledge about voice services, video services, and data services. Messaging is the application developed by Microsoft, which is known as Exchange, which is a mailing application used a lot in almost all the companies. Cloud, as you all know, cloud computing is the future. We'll learn that in detail in the upcoming videos. So any stream, guys, any stream you want to enter, any specialization track, prerequisite is to have knowledge of server infrastructure, and this is the course that we are starting with. Now if you have a look, you've got 5 papers in this slide starting from 4, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. This, my friends, is server 2012. Right now you also have server 2016, but 12 is also valid. So we'll just have a look of what is there in 12 and what is in 16. What is the difference? Talking about 12, if you clear 3 papers, now this is for those who are looking for a certification. So clearing 3 papers, that is 410, 411 and 412 theoretical papers, you earn a certificate which is MCSA, the associate level. And after this, if you complete the remaining 2 papers, that is 413 and 414, you earn the certificate claiming that you are now an MCSE, that is an expert. So 5 papers in total. You clear 3, you get a certificate. You clear 5, you get another certificate. On 3, it is MCSA, and on 5, it is MCSE. Now, guys, sooner or later, 2012 will get expired. So what about the guys who have already certified themselves in 2012? For example, me, in my case, I have certification of 2008, then I had certifications of 2012. Now, what do I do to get the certification of 2016? Do I give all the papers again? Answer is no. So here is a simple path. Let's say you've already cleared MCSA 2012. Now, to jump onto 2016, you do not need to give all papers of 2016, but you only need to give a single paper, which is 743. The paper code is 743. And once that you give this exam, when you clear this exam, you directly earn 2016 certificate. That means to jump from 12 on to 16, it has only a single upgradation paper. Now, what about MCSE 2016? So the answer is you clear MCSA in 2016 and then clear 2 more papers of cloud to earn MCSE. That means in such a case you would be MCSE server as well as a cloud expert. So this is what Microsoft is offering you for 2016, and our upcoming course, my friends, will be on 2016. So why this video? This video gives you some idea of what is the course about, who should go for it, what advantages you may get after this course. For example, you've got all the streams open after this course like cloud and virtualization and stuff. So make sure, guys, you go through each and every video at least once or twice to get the concepts clear. Now, we would be uploading 1 video per day so that you can have sufficient time between 2 videos to practice for yourself, and if in case any doubts, you can always comment in the comment box. So guys, this was the introduction video of what is MCSE. In case you need to check the syllabus out, you can always visit Microsoft's own website, and they have given you the detailed syllabus of what are they offering in MCSE. And everything that is written on the Microsoft website will be taught in the upcoming playlist for MCSE. And once when we are done with this playlist, we are moving on to more playlists. There is no stopping now. You've got servers, you've got virtualization, cloud, networking, security, Python. There are n number of courses coming up in this year, guys. So just stay tuned, support us, subscribe, like, and share your views of what improvements can we bring to give you a better experience. So see you guys, see you soon with a new video wherein we will start the actual course. Thanks a lot. Thank you guys. See you soon.